My father was born in 1917, at the time when Greece was in economic strife. He was undernourished, 48 pounds at 12 years of age. His mother was not going to leave her native country, but did not think that my father would survive under the conditions that existed at that time. So she sent him on a boat, alone, at 12 years of age, to land in Ellis Island, hoping that his father would be there to receive him. His father was. My father grew up in Chicago, not knowing a word of English, started showing signs of mechanical aptitude. He was very busy at a young age of making parts, building, doing things, and he developed his first plane, similar to a Cessna, as a senior, and it flew.
He built a flying bicycle as well, where apparently he put wings on a bicycle and took a ride, down a hill, and the bicycle took off with him on it.
So fast forward, from high school, he did not have any formal training, did not go to college. He built his first machine in his cellar, and that machine was equipped to manufacture components. He developed an account with a key customer and then built another machine, and then decided that it was time for he to become incorporated. And what he did in 1955 was establish himself as a component manufacturer. What caught my attention all the time as a young girl is even in his car, he removed the radio and set up a little engineering device, like a drawing, and he would be driving and he'd be designing at the same time. The company grew. He started working with military, but he also opened it up to computers. His huge account was Wing.
One of the things that I recall is he had a battery-powered car that he was in the process of building. And when he turned on the power, the car practically jumped off the stand that it was on and scared everybody on how loud this car was and how fast everything was moving. And he just basically chuckled.
Nick would work all night and come back, and there would be a new machine here at the company. So no matter what he did, he also was a solutions provider, because he'd work with the companies and find out what they needed. His concepts were actually those of lean manufacturing before it hit the books and hit all of the colleges to say this is what is needed to be done.
He loved to build machines, and he loved to show people how to build machines. He was a great teacher, great businessman, wonderful, just very personable.
When he passed, his employees were devastated because they loved him, and he loved the people. His life was devoted to the company, and his vision exists today and will continue to exist.
This idea that he had for a manufacturing company now was expanded to a global scale. I think he'd be very proud of everybody, of all the employees, of the family members that have worked here over the years, to helping this company succeed.
He did not fear any challenge that was presented to him, and I think he left that legacy here. He was a type of individual that left the ability to create.